So in this video, I'll show you how you can track a quest in Where Winds Meet. Now, you can track a quest in multiple ways. One of them is by simply opening up a map, and then from the map, just look for a quest that you would like to track. So say, for example, you wish to track a lost chapter, you can go ahead and select it like so, and then simply choose track, and that will be the quest you're now tracking so that you can go ahead and complete it. If it's a main quest, then you'll be able to tell it's a main quest, so you can go ahead and select it and then choose track. Alternatively, if you don't want to go through all of that, you can always just open up the menu, select quest, and it will give you the quests based off of their sections. So you have main story, you have lost chapter, you have encounter, and you have exploration. So it's up to you to choose which section you would like to complete your quest in. And when you find the one that you would love to complete, simply select it and then select track quest, and you'll now be going on a journey to complete that specific quest. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.